So I had a check engine light come on in my 2016 F-150, and when I had the code scanned, it came back as a P1450 emissions code. What's interesting is the light actually ended up going off on its own, but only a few days after driving it. So I just wanted to go over what happened and what I found out about it. I ended up taking the truck to O'Reilly's to have the code checked, and they pulled a P1450 code, which has to do with the EVAP system and the fuel tank pressure. At the time though, I didn't really notice any issues with driving. The truck was running fine, no stalling, no rough idle, nothing major. The check engine light was really the only sign something was going on. But after I saw the code, I did a little reading online. I found out that a lot of people were actually talking about the EVAP system issues and the purge valves. Some people suggested it could be a purge valve. Others mentioned seals or even fuel tank venting issues. I also read a suggestion about checking the fuel filler area. So I tried something simple. I just went to the gas station and inserted and removed the fuel nozzle a few times just to see if it would help to reset anything. At that time the light stayed on, so I still wasn't too sure if I was making any headway or if it made any difference. Then something interesting happened. I guess it was a couple of days later after driving the truck. The check engine light just went off by itself. No repair, no parts replaced. It just cleared itself. So from what I've learned, the P1450 code on these F-150s usually points to an EVAP system issue, and one of the most common suspects is the purge valve, the EVAP purge valve. It can sometimes stick or act intermittently, which might explain why the code showed up and then why it went away. But at this point I haven't replaced anything yet because the issue is currently not active. Right now I'm just keeping an eye on it. If the code comes back, or if I notice any symptoms like hard starting after filling up or anything different, I'll dig deeper and likely start with the purge valve. For now, everything seems normal. Truck is driving fine. So I just wanted to share this in case anyone else runs into a P1450 code that comes up and goes on a 2016 F-150. I'll update if anything changes or if I end up actually changing or replacing this part. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. God bless you. Have a good day.